In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Virgin Media's live chat. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we need to do is open up a web browser, head on over to virginmedia.com. This is the official website for Virgin Media. And now from here, you need to navigate to the website's footer. So scroll all the way down, and then right at the bottom here, you'll see a Contact Us button. So click onto the Contact Us button. Now from here, we've got contacting Virgin Media. So if you've got a question about our service or need a troubleshooting tip, you might find exactly what you need right here, quickly and easily. You can also check out our help pages or learn how to contact us directly further down. So scroll down. Now you want to connect with Virgin Media's live chat. So click on which best describes the reason why you need to speak to a live chat agent. So if it's broadband, click on broadband, TV, mobile, etc. So for this one, I'm going to click on broadband, and now choose which one you need help with or you got issues with. If you're not sure, just click on anything. So I'm just going to click on check service status, because ultimately we're just trying to get to the live chat. So from here, you need to put in your postcode, last name of account holder, and then on the next page there should be a chat bubble appear to speak to a live agent, but you got to make sure you're connecting with them in between the hours of operation as well, because if you try and connect with them outside hours of operation, you won't be able to.